So for group one, it's a course on biotechnology, and our target audience are journalists, reporters, editors, science communicators, and scientists. So topic one, it's important to bring everyone back to speed on biotechnology. So we're calling it Introduction to Biotechnology. And this one involves the basics, or we can call it Biotechnology 1, the basics of biotechnology. So here we'll define, and we'll have the definition and the scope of the whole topic, the whole course, defining, giving us a central dogma for DNA, or the fundamentals of it, and that includes the historical background on molecular biology, what's DNA, how does it relate, general genetics, and then introduction to biotechnology and molecular biology. Those will be the introductory courses, basically meant to immerse this target audience into the fundamentals of biotechnology. Then we go to the applications of biotechnology. Part A focuses on the existing approaches, which include what we already know, like tissue culture, DNA sequencing, and the molecular biology techniques. Then part B will go to the emerging technologies, which includes gene drives, genome editing or CRISPR, and then synthetic biology. Then topic 3, or chapter 3, will go to the sectoral applications, and those we are categorizing into health, environment, agriculture, and then, so broadly health, environment, and agriculture, which also includes crops. That's chapter 3 of the proposed curriculum. Then chapter 4, we move into now, after applications, what are the issues that have to do with applications, the ethics, the issues that have to do with the applications and the utilization. So we are speaking about the ethics and the regulation of the technologies. So there we speak about access and benefit sharing, the regional and international agreements, and these are many. We know there are those, the Convention on Biological Diversity, the COPs, that relate to biodiversity, and the national regulations, and the protocols also. We'll discuss them under the international agreement. We have Cartagena, we have all other protocols that are in there, just to give learners a background and understanding of where some of these agreements are made and the basis and fundamentals of them. We also have the national regulations. Then in that topic on ethics, we also focus on risk assessment and intellectual property rights. Who owns the rights once an innovation has been launched, right? Then chapter 5 looks at stakeholder engagement in development pathways. And then after laying the foundation for the basics in biotechnology, because our idea is to communicate the science of it, after all those topics, then the learner will have a general overview of what biotechnology is and the applications of it. Then now we get to the communicating science section, right? So chapter 6 becomes communicating biotechnology. We have a segment on crafting biotechnology stories. Then there we get the sources of credible information, which include journal articles, review papers, research findings, websites. Then as we craft biotechnology stories, then the next thing will be to publish. So we look at visualization and all the appeals that go with a presentation of articles. Okay, then you notice that what we've been speaking about from until now are just ways in which to benefit journalists, right? We are benefiting journalists by discussing about biotechnology and all those other topics. But we also need to weave in a topic on how we can benefit scientists. So chapter 7 then, we have a topic on journalistic writing for scientists. So there we speak about the communication in modern society. We discuss the new platforms and formats. Platforms are the media outlets where stories can also be shared. We don't have to use the traditional linear methods. We can use the interactive platforms, including the social media platforms, storifying on Twitter, etc. Then the formats, podcasting, blogs. Then in that same segment, we include a section on crisis communication, which is very key, and then opinion writing and feature writing. And these segments will generally be taught by editors or people who are in the area of mass communication. Then we also have message mapping, pitching, preparation for interviews in various media. So that is the outline of how the course or the curriculum, is it a course, is it a curriculum or module on biotechnology would look like. And other considerations will go into what level, what level are we talking about? And later on, we would like to have it embedded in the courses in university, maybe at a postgraduate level. So those are some other issues that would come into considerations, because then we would have other bodies taking charge, like the university councils, the Commission for University Education, etc. But as a start, that would be an outline for a course in biotechnology, as proposed by Group 1.